a 2-beer per person limit at all concession stands, and the passing of alcoholic beverages to anyone, regardless of age, is strictly prohibited. And don't forget, the puck can be propelled into the spectator area with enough force to cause serious injury. Stay alert at all times, including after the stoppage of play. If you need medical attention, Cataldo Ambulance Service is on site at every Bruins game. You can see them at the first aid station located on level 4 behind Lowe's 15. If you're in need of assistance, please tell the nearest uniformed associate or come here to guest services, located on the main concourse level outside of Lowe's 4 or up on the balcony outside of section 307. One of our team members will be happy to assist you. You can also call the Fan First hotline at 617-624-28.